In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mobile number to Outlook.com. We'll go through the process together in a simple and clear way so you can update your account information without confusion. Adding a mobile number to your Outlook.com account can be useful for account security, identity verification, and recovery options, so this is a good setting to keep up to date. To begin, open Outlook.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving to the next step, since the settings we need are inside your account profile. Once you're on the main Outlook page, look for your profile icon. This is usually located in the upper area of the screen. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, select the option for your Microsoft account. This will take you away from the inbox and into the broader account settings connected to Outlook.com. After the Microsoft account page opens, find and click on the section labeled Your Info. This area contains the personal details associated with your account, including the information you can review or update. When you're inside the account information section, look for the option that says Edit Account Info and click it. At this point, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity before allowing any changes. This is a normal security step designed to protect your account, so don't worry if you're asked to confirm access. You'll likely need to verify your email address first. Simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. In most cases, that means checking your email for a verification code or approval message, then entering that information where requested. Take your time here and make sure you complete the verification exactly as instructed so you can continue without issues. Once the verification is complete, you should be able to see the option to add a phone number. Click that option, then enter your mobile number carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the number before saving it to make sure there are no typing mistakes, since an incorrect number could affect future verification or account recovery. After you input your phone number, that's it. Your mobile number will be added to your account. And that's how to add a mobile number to Outlook.com. If you're following along on a phone, tablet, or desktop, the layout may look slightly different, but the same general steps will still apply.